In this video, we'll explain how the click-to-dial feature works in PropStream and how it fits into Lead Automator workflow. You'll learn how to place calls instantly, understand the basic setup, and see how automated lead lists support your outreach process. Click-to-dial lets you place calls directly inside PropStream using a built-in softphone. Whenever a phone number is available for a skip trace lead, you can click it to initiate a live call without exporting lists or using a separate dialer. This is available in My Properties within a marketing list spreadsheet, in Contacts within a contact list, and on the property details page. To set up Click-to-Dial, go to your Account tab and locate Call Settings. Here, you can set up phone numbers to use to dial. You will choose a state and an area code, then click Confirm. These numbers can be replaced every 7 days for no additional cost. You can also configure team permissions and call forwarding. Note: you must have Lead Automator to access the Click-to-Dial feature in PropStream. After skip tracing, phone numbers will appear in the 3 locations previously discussed: My Properties, the Contacts tab, as well as the property details page. Essentially, when you see a phone number, click on it and the Click-to-Dial pop-up will appear. Make sure to click here to check your audio and internet connection, and then Call Now will launch the softphone call. Once connected, enhance your conversations on the spot with the AI-driven recommendations. Here's the basic workflow to get started. Skip trace your leads to retrieve phone numbers and emails so contact info appears in your account. Find a phone number in My Properties or Contacts and select the lead you want to call. Once you click on the phone number, the Click-to-Dial softphone automatically places the call. During the call, you can take notes and update tags or status on the property directly after the call via the property details page. You can also use AI-guided prompts that suggest what to say next and provide steps to support more confident conversations. And remember, Click-to-Dial is available to PropStream users who have the Lead Automator add-on with their Essentials plan. Otherwise, it's included for users on the Pro or Elite plans. With Click-to-Dial, you can make up to 150 calls per day, which is 50 calls per dialer number you have in your account. These will help you boost your live outreach capacity. Now, let's review why the Lead Automator is important for the Click-to-Dial workflow. Lead Automator is an add-on tool that keeps your lead lists fresh and ready for outreach. It automatically adds new leads that match your criteria and removes ones that no longer apply. This means your calling efforts, including Click-to-Dial, will use up-to-date lists, saving your time on manual updates. Lead Automator also includes free skip tracing, so your list can be enriched with contact info for future marketing. Remember, using Click-to-Dial and Lead Automator together lets you move from research to live calling with minimal friction. For effective use of Click-to-Dial, make sure your lists are skip traced before calling, and make sure to use Lead Automator to keep your lists up to date. And after placing a call, update call notes and property status immediately in the property details page, helping your pipeline be organized. Interested in scaling your calls for higher volume and bigger teams? Watch our video on how to use push-to-batch dialer, which can be accessed via PropStream's API key. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe and follow for more PropStream content. And don't forget, start your 7-day free trial to dial within PropStream.